Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I am going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to use Loox reviews. And in this video I am going to make a complete tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. As usual, you can see we are already in our admin panel in shopify.com, and this is our website. Here you can see this is our website interface. We already set up all the things, so I just need to be upload a product because I'm going to make a video on product reviews tutorial. So that for reason we just need a product over here. So I'm going to make a title. That title will be something, it's totally up to you. So I'm going to make a name that will be headphone for babies, and then I'm going to upload a media, and this media I have, as you can see, we have some headphone picture over that place. So I'm going to upload this one. It looks really nice, and I'm going to make a price that will be 500, and then I will check down to the bottom and I'm going to publish it. Just click over here in the save button, just click on save. Once you click over here, it will take a while, and then you will see that congratulations, you added your first product. So if you visit in the product section, then you are allowed to watch it. As you can see, inventory, we have 0 product in our stock. So I'm going to check this out again, and I will fix this problem. And here you can see we have this inventory option. In here we are going to uncheck it, and then let's save it again, and then let's check this out again. I hope the problem has been solved here. Yeah, you can see our inventory not tracked, so we have product over here. So I'm going to complete all necessary steps here, and now I will deep down in the main task. That is, we need to install apps in our Shopify store to review products. So here let's click over here and add apps, and here you can see we have get more recognition app in Shopify app store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect, or it will open a new tab in the next tab, that is shop app store. Here you can easily install any apps through your Shopify store, and you can explore it your own. So I'm going to search here Loox, and then just hit the enter button, as already we get some suggestion over that place. So I just click over here. Once I click over here, now you can see it pricing start from $12 monthly, and also we have a free trial available. So I'm going to with the free trial available, it will be good to go for me. So I'm going to click on install. Once I click over here, again it will redirect me to the next page where I am allowed to install these apps in our Shopify admin panel. So here I will click on install, and the process is really simple. Don't take it difficult way. It is so simple. So once you download or install your apps in your Shopify store, now we need to do other work. That is, you just need to check out all the necessary documents over here. As you can see, if you read here, you can use Loox for free. We are here to help you jumpstart your business. As long as your store is password protector and on the Shopify trial, you can use Loox for free. And once you unlock your store and end your Shopify trial, you will email you and ask you to choose a plan in order to continue using Loox. Also, only at the point you will start up your free Loox trial, get for what? So let's go with use for Loox free. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will give you the options where you are allowed to express or explore all necessary features in that platform. Here you can see this is the option. So if I go into the review option or review panel, then you can see this has product review, and here they are asking for add Loox to your theme. So to display review on your store, enable the Loox core script on your Shopify theme. To enable Loox core script, click the button below and just click over here, or you can go through this one. Like, let's visit on online store. By here you can see that we have customize theme option. Just click over here, and as you can see we will get the option for enable the script over that place. So here you can see we have the option. If I click over here into this section, then app enable, here you can see that eventually we are getting the enable script option in the themes. If you want to visit from that place, this will be more easy for you. Just click over here. Once you click over here, it will redirect you to the next page where you are allowed to enable this script on your theme. Just enable it. It's already enabled, so you can see that activate the script to enable Loox widget on your street or store. Visit the Loox admin to manage and adjust your Loox widget. So let's click on the save. Once you click over here save, it means that your Loox core script has been installed or enabled in your theme. So now you are allowed to use all these features on your store. So let's go again and let's see this place and refresh it, and then eventually we will get the preview over here. So here you can see we don't have any review. If I check my store again, let's go over here and let's check our store by our own, then we will find out some changes over here. Look over here. So here I'm going to click on customize theme. Once I click over here, then it will give me option to include this Loox review elements in my design. So I'm going to add some section over that place. Just click over here. You need to be add. Let's click on add section. I will add section onto the related product. So I'm going to add, and I am going to search here Loox, and just click on apps. Now you can see we have various options: look, cart, carousel, gallery carousel, product review widget, trust base, video slide widget, testimonial carousel, and star. So I'm going to explore one by one. So let's click over here, and now you can see our own Loox has been uploaded here. So I'm going to place it into the top here, so it will be look much better for me, I think so. That's why I'm going to place it in this place. So you just need to drag it, drop, and here. Now you can see we already pasted in here, and it looks nice over that place. And here also, if you want to further more blogs, just click over here and select apps, and you will get the option. I'm going to apply this gallery carousel here. You can see this is the sample, so you can explore one by one. Let's go with another one. Let's apply one set referral widget. So here you can see it will be applying here. So we don't have any referral activated, that's why I'm not able to see it now. Next I'm going to apply another one that will be store rating widget, testimonial carousel, and now you can eventually see the result. It will take a while to loading, and here you can check it one by one. If you needed it perfectly, then you need to be explore it one by one. So I'm going to save it. Once I click over here save, it will be saved. So the process is very simple. And if you explore the Loox dashboard, just go over here into your store and click over that place. Here you will find out all these necessary steps. So here you can see we have reviews, widgets, import, review, or preference. You are allowed to do general things in that place. Here you can see. Then we have setting where we can change our star rating option. We can change our color. We can match this with our website color, and then we can change the corner style also. Then you can choose your font here. Like, it's totally up to you and your control. They give you the full control over these apps in the free version also, but I will suggest you to purchase the premium one if you want to use it in a live website. Then without premium one, you are not allowed to use many couple of features. That for reason I will suggest you. So if the video was really helpful for you, and if you have any certain question, then ask me on the comment box. I will give you all those questions answered in the video, in the next video. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.